Hi guys, it's me Emily and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing part 2 of the Disney Princess Saga makeup looks, whatever you want to call it. I am doing Cinderella. I actually was kind of torn because I had two really pretty looks that I wanted to do. I do not like the original Disney Cinderella, the cartoon version. There are two movies that I really love. One is Ever After with Drew Barrymore, and I'll put up a picture of what she looked like with her makeup. But then there is also Brandy Norwood, who played Cinderella, and it was, when I was growing up, the first time I had ever seen an African-American Disney princess, or remake of a Disney movie. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I'm kind of going to mix the two looks together. They're both blue and really pretty and kind of sparkly and showy. So I thought, why not kind of mesh the two together, but also put my own take on this Disney princess makeup look. So let's just jump right in and see where we go. Alright guys, here is my final look. I love how this look came together. I actually threw on one of my old dresses. It does not fit anymore, but we made it work. And then the crown, and as you can tell, I kind of mixed both looks together. Drew Barrymore's look in Ever After was very subtle. She just had like the blue glitter and then the beads, and then Brandy did the blue eyeshadow and the darker lip, which I actually really like. She threw the hair up, threw a crown on, necklace, and I think it came together really, really well. sort of a modern take on Cinderella, more for me, I guess. So I'm really proud of how this came together. I really like how it looks. So thank you guys so much for watching. All the products will be linked down below as always. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what princess you want to see next, because I'm not sure yet. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!